Thank you for tuning in to another edition of What Library at Home. I'm Alexis Lawrence, your adult librarian, and today we are going to be making a floral hanging letter wreath. Some of the equipment or things that you will need for today's do-it-yourself project is cardboard, hot glue gun, scissors, a pen to trace your letter, a ruler to measure it out with so that it is the size that you want, and you will also need the floral arrangement that you are going to use for this project. As you can see behind me, hopefully when you're all done, it will come out looking something like this. So let's get started so that you can see how to make this floral arrangement. And so first off, we have our cardboard cut out. As you can see, this is what I've done, and it's cut out into the letter L. And what we are going to do is we are going to take our floral arrangement, and what you do is initially you just kind of pop off the flower piece that you want, and you're just going to take it and just kind of like pull it off from the stem. And then what you do is on the bottom of it, if you can see straight ahead, there is like this green piece to it, and all you're going to do is snip that end so that the end is kind of flat for you so that you can glue your piece down. And so I have these larger floral arrangements that are kind of already snipped and flat, and we're going to take that and we're going to glue those on the bottom, and you're just going to glue it down where you want your floral arrangement to be. And then you are going to repeat that step with more colors. I have an orange one here that I'm going to glue down. And that's that. And then I'm also going to glue down this yellow one. So now we have an arrangement of 3 different flowers. And I like to add a little color to it, so I kind of glue down some of the leaves as well. So you just still put that around the outside of that. And then you stick that leaf wherever you decide that you want a leaf to be. I'm gonna put it kind of here underneath this yellow brush, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this purple arrangement. So now I'm going to add a pop of purple color to it. I don't think you can really see my purple flower too much, so I'm going to work on moving it to a different spot. Maybe up a little bit. Right now, this is my arrangement, and this is what it looks like. And I think I might add another green leaf to this arrangement. So I'll take and snip, like I said, off the end. I will add more glue around the base. Sneak that in to another area. So this is what we have so far, and you'll keep adding different colors and flowers to it until you have it completely filled up in layers that you like. And then once you're done, depending on how it looks or what you need, you'll cut or trim it so that it will resemble the shape that you want. like within this letter here, in order for me to have this outlined, I needed to tuck or trim it so that you can see the outline of the A, but it's probably not going to be needed for this L shape. But thank you for tuning in for this edition of What Library at Home, and check out our other do-it-yourself projects on our website, and I hope you check out another one of our videos.